Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about this excellent space for you to express your opinion and share information with your class and obviously expand your classroom, right? Do like a back channel and empower learners to give their opinions, and it's called Today's Meet, right? So in this space is like a Twitter, a space in which you have 140 characters to express your opinion, to put a link and share information, or to do, well, whatever that it is in your imagination, right? So you have 140 characters to express your opinion and to give and to do anything that you want, right? And, well, how do you do it? First of all, you have to go to todaysmeet.com, right? Then you have to select a name for your room, right? So, for example, in this, I'm going to put example meeting, right, and see if this example is okay. The example meeting is available, so I have a check here. So then I have to select for how long do I want this room to be open. So in this case I have different options in the free version. So I have 1 hour, 2 hours, 8 hours, 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. So I could select 1 year, but I have to create an account to do that. It's also a free account, but then I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to do this for the example, just to create one room, one free room, and very easy. And I'm going to select just 1 hour because this is just an example, right? So I'm going to open my room, and here I have to write my nickname, right? So I'm going to click here and I'm going to write here my name, Manuel. So I'm going to join the conversation, and now I have 140 characters to, I don't know, make a question, right, or start a discussion with the group of students that I want, or the group of teacher trainers if I'm doing something like that, right? I can write any questions or any example, or just write something like this is an example, right? Something very simple, right? Right, and then you have here in this box here all the things that I'm typing. So I have some room tools that I can show and I can use, like for example the direct link to share, although I think that is even easier, right? Or a QR code that I can create, right? With this QR code, what can you do with that? Well, you can just print this and put it anywhere in the room, and your students just go with their cell phone and scan this QR code, and they go directly to the Today's Meet web page, which is the one that you can see over here in the address bar, right? So once they got here, right, they are going to be asked to write their nicknames, right? So they are going to write here, for example, student 1, right? They're going to join the conversation, right? And they have the same limits. So for example, they find that something to say like I would like to see something about Ken Robinson, right? Something like that, and then okay. So student 1, and I say okay, well, this student can also put any links that they want. So for example, I have one YouTube link here, right? And it's about a tech talk about that Ken Robinson did, right? And I'm going to paste that link here. I will say okay, there you are. So what do you have to do? You have to, it's more than the limit. So what do you have to do? You have to put a shorter this link, and there are many options to do that. I'm going to just use the one from Google, right? a URL shortener, right? I'm gonna use the one from Google, which is very easy to do. So you just have to write Google, right? And or you have any others like tiny URL or bit.ly. So I'm gonna paste that YouTube link, select that I'm not a robot, and then it's going to tell me, okay, this is just options, right? About this. Okay, so I verify that, and I'm going to shorten this URL, and I'm going to copy, go back to the Today's Meet link, right? And I'm going to paste it. And then there you are. So you have this conversation, and you can have a conversation with all the participants, and you can keep record of this meeting and everything that happens outside the meeting or during the meeting, right? Here you can use it as a chat box, you can use it as an expander, something like to share your thoughts about a meeting or anything that you think that it is possible for you to do. Okay, so this is today's meet. Is super simple. Now, if you want this room to be open for a longer time, right, what do you have to do? You have to create your own account, right? So you can click here and create your account, right? Write your email address, select password, right? Everything that is you normally do when you create an account in every services that are online, right? Select agree, right, with the terms and services, and create your account. Or you can use your Google account to do that in a very easy form, in easy way. So you click here and create your account with Google. You just have to write your Google account. In this case, I'm going to use the one from my university, right? You have to log in, right? And then you have to authorize TodaysMeet to use your account. So you have to read, right, all the basic information and then click in allow, right? Then you have to give your day of birth. So I'm gonna click here. Yep. So I'm gonna select my birthday, right? For you. That's it. Then if you want, you have to click here, but I don't want that. But I agree with the terms and services, so I'm going to finish. And now I have my own account, and I have more things to see here. So I can see here all the rooms that I have open, and I can click here to just close it. I can use here to say the transcript or all the conversations that happens in that room, right? I can also get the QR code, or I can lock this to make this room private, right? So I can click here and see who can see this room. Just anyone, the ones that are logged in, right? My school in this case. So I can make this room private in a way, okay? And I can also click here, and now I have the option of having this room open for 1 year. So those are the benefits of you to be logged in this room, but you can also use it as a free account. Okay, so well, that's all for today, right? And if you have any doubt, just don't hesitate to contact me to the email that you saw here in this presentation. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.